Rule 4 begins a new section of the COLREGs. This section describes the conduct of vessels when they are in sight of one another. According to Rule 4, the rules in this section apply only when vessels can see each other visually. In other words, the navigator must be able to observe the other vessel directly. This means the vessel can be detected by eye, through binoculars, or by visual observation from the bridge. Radar detection alone does not mean vessels are considered to be in sight of one another. If the other vessel cannot be visually identified, the situation falls under restricted visibility rules, which are covered later in the regulations. Rule 4 acts as the gateway to several critical collision avoidance rules. Once vessels are in sight of each other, navigators must apply the following rules of the COLREGs: rules for overtaking vessels, rules for head-on situations, rules for crossing situations, and rules describing give way and stand-on responsibilities. These rules determine which vessel must take action and which vessel should maintain course and speed. The moment vessels come into visual contact, the responsibility of the bridge team increases significantly. At this stage, navigators must carefully assess the developing situation and determine the correct rule that applies. Rule 4 reminds every officer of the watch that visual awareness is critical, because when vessels can see each other, the responsibility to avoid collision becomes immediate and active. Understanding when these rules apply is essential, because applying the wrong rule at the wrong moment can quickly lead to a dangerous situation at sea. Rule 4 is simple, but it defines the moment when collision avoidance maneuvers truly begin. The moment vessels see each other, COLREG decision-making begins.